Good morning, everybody. Um, I miss you all, and I can't wait to see you all live again. But until then, we have our webcams and we have our Google Classroom to help us through. You also have a lot of good books. So I want to remind you that you should be reading every day, minimum of 15 minutes. Please record it in the book log. All of you should have a custom book log that I made for you. All you need to do is go into Classroom and click on yours, and please put in the date, the book, and how many pages you read for the day. In addition, we're in a very historic time, so I'm hoping that you will all keep track of a diary or a journal of all of your adventures during this time. There are several options for you to pick from. I don't care if you create a blog or you can just use a Google Doc, whatever. I have examples on the directions for you. Finally, please, please, please create your virtual library card. This will give you access to a ton of resources, including virtual books that you can read on Overdrive, and therefore you have access to almost anything in addition to a lot of research so that you are able to create more after we come back to school. So hope you're all keeping busy, getting outside, staying healthy, and I look forward to when we can see each other again.